The following video is a guide on how to use the 150 to 650 range of balers with PLC controls. Firstly, at the back of the baler, place the strapping rolls onto the holder provided. The number of rolls will depend on the model you purchased. Next, tread each strap up into the hole at the back of the chamber as illustrated. Inside the chamber, pull each of the straps down to the base and place inside each of the U-shaped channels. Loop and knot each strap and fasten into the strap holding points below the chamber. Close the bottom door. With the top door open, load material into the compaction chamber. Close the top door and press the start button to run a compaction cycle. Repeat the process of loading and compacting material into the chamber. When the bale full light illuminates, it is time to tie and complete the bale. With the compaction head fully up, open the top door. Next, using the tie feed bar, pull the straps from the back of the baler. Then pull the straps through the bottom door slots. Make sure you have enough strapping to tie the bale and cut the strapping. Only the bottom portion of the cut strapping needs to stay in the slot for tying. Close the top door. Press the down arrow button on the control panel. Open both doors fully. Tension and knot the top and bottom ends on each of the straps. Hold the black and yellow buttons together at the side of the control panel to raise the compaction plate. Make sure the compaction plate is fully up in the home position. Place a pallet in front of the baler. Press the start button and the yellow eject button together to extend the ejector plate, which will remove the bale onto the pallet.